Yo, say what's up. I'm Mike up.
Hey, what's up, boys? Let's go.
Shit. Yo, James Ness is here. Hey. Let's go. Good layup. Good shot, Mar.
And at the same time, let's keep this crowd silent, all right? Let's keep this silent. Defense on 3. 1, 2, 3, defense! I think I got you on Aaron. 11. Remember, the job is not done. We're only up 8. We still got to play 18 hard minutes, all right? So stay focused. Let's get it done. Let's go, fellas. Hey, fill me on 3. 1, 2, 3, man. Hey, we're still matched up the same. Hey, Tonio, get 11. Carter, middle. Carter, go middle. Look at him lead. Carter, middle. Keep going, Carter. Keep going middle, Carter. That's a push. Gotta give him room to land. Let's go! Let's go! Hit him. Set 1. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Go, Mar. Go, Mar. Come on, bro. Hit him. Good pass, Lee. That's a foul!
Why am I struggling with this so much? Ethan Note, number 2. You know, pretty good game going on here. 33-27, should be winning by more, but big buckets by Marnarius Ferguson. Lee Brooks facilitating the offense. You know, Carter Brown, Tonio Brown getting it done on defense. Josh Rock doing his thing. You know, seatbelt. Oh, look at this, Lee Brooks. Oh my gosh, look at, watch for King Ferg. I'm watching for, oh, foul. Come on now, tray ball. Oh my God. Come on, Josh. Oh. Oh yeah, oh yeah. On that, Josh, on that. Oh. Oh, no. Look at that, oh, no. Yeah, get that rebound, or not. He's scared. Nope. Rebound. Look down, look down, look down. Or not. Hey, you got 10 seconds! Oh my God. Look what he's doing. Tray ball. Oh, we good. You're good. Look at that defense. Prime example of good defense by Lee Brooks. Play. Great defensive play by Lee Brooks. Oh yeah, look at him go, look at him go, look at him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Josh Rock! That seatbelt! Oh my God, he's about to get it back. He's about to get back on D. It's so loud. Huh? I know. 8. He's gonna have to lower my voice. Look at that. Look at that defense. Oh no. Timeout. Hey, timeout. We don't need a timeout. I changed my mind. Look at this. Look at this play. It's about to be a great play. We're good. Look at that. Oh my God, go to work. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's a foul, number 4. Yeah! That's crazy, man. Hey, Mar needs to set this shit up. Back. Boom! Get fired! Boom! Bro. Yep. Cole, get up there. Good rebound. Good rebound. Let's go, Ferg. We need this. Oh, yeah!
Hey, Lee, you gotta attack. They can't fuck with you.